litmus paper. There are two types of litmus papers are available: blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. So now let us check what is this? Lemon. If we add the lemon juice on the litmus paper, which litmus paper it is? Blue litmus paper. Can you please add this? Okay now. Any changes? Yes. What changes do you observe here? Blue litmus paper changes into red litmus paper. If the blue litmus paper changes into red color, then what is the nature of the solution? Acidic. So lemon contains acid. Which acid is present in lemon? Citric acid. So it shows that if the blue litmus paper changes into a red color when we dip into the acidic solution, then the solution is acid. Okay, thank you.